y'all, Vivian Knox with Joyza, and I'm here to show you how to hang your do-it-yourself garland. Once you have your garland already complete, we're going to hang it using a couple of different methods. Either a heavy-duty hook, which is my preference, however, it will peel indoor paint from walls, or you can use your 3M hooks, and we'll provide a link for them. Once you determine which hook you're gonna need, whether it's indoors or outdoors, you're going to take your 260 balloon from your kit, and we're gonna tie a double knot around our hook. Once we have our double knot completed, we're going to take the tail end and the head of the 260 balloon and tie them to each other in a single knot, and it creates a rubber band for us, like this. So you can easily hang your hook onto your area of where you want your garland, and then I'm gonna show you how to slip on this to your balloon. All right, so we're gonna pretend we have our hook on our wall. And now what we're gonna do is take our easy rubber band. You're gonna pick one balloon and think of a hair tie. We're going to select one balloon on here, and it's not scary, okay? Don't be afraid of it popping at you. We're going to slide our 260 all the way around, push him all the way to the bottom, and he is hanging. You see? He's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so pretend I'm the wall. We have him already tied on. Now, if you make a mistake, what I love about these 260s is that don't be afraid to move him and place him wherever you need him to go to hide a hole or just for aesthetics. And by following these easy steps, this is what your garland will look like. Go visit our website for helpful tips and tricks to help you party like a pro.